How do faceless YouTubers manage to create engaging videos without ever showing their faces? It might seem like a mystery, but the truth is, it's all about having a solid system in place. In this video, I'm going to break down my entire process for you, from brainstorming video ideas to uploading the final product. If you've ever wondered how the behind-the-scenes magic happens, you're in the right place. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how I plan, script, and upload my videos step by step. Let's get started. Content strategy. Before anything gets recorded or edited, it all starts with the content strategy. This is where I decide what I'll make a video about and why. I don't pick topics randomly or chase trends just for views. I focus on three main things: search-driven, evergreen, and repeatable content. Search-driven means people are already looking for it. If no one's searching for your topic, it won't get discovered. I use tools like YouTube's search bar, Google Trends, and sometimes TubeBuddy to find questions people are asking. Evergreen means the content stays useful over time. A good example is top 5 free video editors. That kind of topic stays relevant for months or even years. I try to avoid things that will become outdated in a week or two. Repeatable means I can use the format again. Things like top 5, best tools for beginners, or what I'd do if I started over work well, because you can apply the same style to different topics. To stay organized, I use a simple spreadsheet where I keep track of all my ideas. Each row has a title idea, keywords, a few bullet notes, and the video goal. This way, I never run out of content ideas, and I always know what's coming next. This strategy keeps me focused, consistent, and makes planning way easier. It also helps me stay motivated, because I know I'm creating content people actually want to watch. Video creation workflow. Once I have a strong idea and a clear title, it's time to create the video itself. I follow a simple, repeatable workflow that keeps things efficient and stress-free. It's broken into 4 main steps: title, script, voiceover, and editing. Step 1, title first. The title comes before anything else. A great title is what gets someone to click. If they don't click, they never watch. I study what's already working in my niche, popular titles, catchy phrases, and keyword structure, and then shape mine to fit. I don't copy, but I do learn from patterns. Step 2, script writing. After the title, I move on to the script. I use ChatGPT to speed up the process, but I don't just accept the first draft. I've trained the AI to understand my voice and tone. Then I go in, rewrite parts, tweak the flow, and add personal touches. The final script always feels like me, not just a robot. Step 3, voiceover. Depending on time and budget, I either record the voiceover myself using a basic microphone, or I hire a freelancer from Fiverr. If you choose to outsource, check their ratings and sample work. Be clear about your expectations so you get a voice that matches your style. Step 4, editing. I outsource most of my editing, but I'm still very hands-on. I provide a brief that includes visual suggestions, on-screen text, and timing notes. Once I get the draft back, I review it closely and request changes if needed. The goal is always a smooth, engaging video. Uploading and optimizing. Once the video is edited and ready, the next step is uploading it to YouTube and optimizing everything for the best chance of discovery. Without proper optimization, even the best video might not reach its audience, so I make sure every detail is carefully planned. Step 1, title. The title is essential for getting people to click. I make sure it's clear, clickable, and keyword focused. It should tell viewers exactly what the video is about while sparking curiosity. I use the keywords I researched earlier to make sure the title matches what people are searching for, and I try to keep it under 60 characters to avoid truncation. Step 2. Description. The description is where I summarize the video and add a few extra relevant keywords. I aim to make it natural and engaging, so viewers know exactly what to expect. It's also a good place to add a soft call to action, CTA, like inviting viewers to subscribe or check out another video. I also link to any relevant resources like websites or social media. Step 3. Tags. For tags, I use a few targeted keywords. YouTube uses these to understand what the video is about and who it might interest. I keep the tags focused and specific. No need for keyword stuffing or irrelevant terms. Just a handful of phrases that accurately describe the content. Step 4. Thumbnail. The thumbnail is the first thing people notice, so it has to be eye-catching. I choose bold colors, clear text, and high contrast to make sure it stands out. Most people watch YouTube on their phones, so it's important that the thumbnail is readable even on small screens. Posting schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to growing a YouTube channel, so having a regular posting schedule is crucial. For me, the goal is to stay sustainable. I don't want to burn out or sacrifice quality for quantity. Step 1. Frequency. At the moment, I post 2 videos a week. This pace fits well with my personal schedule and ensures I'm able to keep up with the workload without feeling overwhelmed. You don't have to start with 2 videos a week though. 1 video per week is a great starting point, and it allows you to consistently engage with your audience without burning yourself out. Step 2. Batch uploading. One key trick I use is batch uploading. YouTube has a built-in feature that allows you to schedule videos in advance. This means that once I've finished a batch of videos, I can schedule them to go live on specific days and times. This is super helpful, as it lets me get ahead of my content creation and not worry about last-minute uploads. Step 3. Planning ahead. I also try to plan my videos ahead of time. I don't wait until the last minute to come up with ideas or scripts. I maintain my spreadsheet of video ideas and titles, so I know exactly what's coming up. This way, I can always stay a step ahead of my upload schedule. Step 4. Flexibility. While I try to stick to my posting schedule, life happens. There might be weeks where I need to adjust or miss an upload. The key is to not stress out about it. You can always come back stronger, as long as you're consistent over time. Tracking and adjusting. Creating and uploading videos is just part of the equation. The real growth happens when you analyze the performance of each video and make adjustments based on what's working and what isn't. This tracking process is essential for continuous improvement. Step 1. Key metrics. After every video goes live, I track several key metrics to measure its success. The most important ones are click-through rate, CTR, watch time, and audience retention. The CTR tells me how well my title and thumbnail are working to grab people's attention. If the CTR is low, I know I need to tweak my thumbnail or title to make it more appealing. Step 2. Watch time. Watch time is a reflection of how long people are watching my video. If people are dropping off early, that could mean my intro is too long or the video isn't engaging enough. I pay close attention to where people stop watching and adjust future videos to keep viewers hooked for longer. Step 3. Audience retention. Audience retention is one of the most important factors for YouTube's algorithm. If viewers are staying engaged throughout the video, it's a good sign that the content is resonating with them. Low retention might mean that I need to improve pacing, add more engaging visuals, or adjust my delivery style. Step 4. Adjustments. Once I have this data, I make adjustments to my future videos. If I notice that a specific type of title works well, I'll use that style more often. If certain visuals or editing techniques lead to higher engagement, I'll incorporate them into future videos. Constant improvement is the key to long-term growth. Wrap up. Now that you've seen how I plan, script, and upload my faceless YouTube videos. You might be wondering, what's the next step? The truth is, this is just the beginning. While the process I've shared is solid and scalable, there's always room to improve and refine. The more videos I create, the more I learn, and the better I get at optimizing my workflow. But this system has been the foundation for my channel's success, and it's one that anyone can implement. Step 1. Reflection and growth. Once a video is live and the stats start rolling in, I take some time to reflect. I look closely at the click-through rate, CTR, watch time, and audience retention. These metrics tell me whether the title, thumbnail, and content resonated with my viewers. If something didn't perform well, I adjust for next time. Maybe the intro was too long or the pacing was off. These insights are vital for improving future videos. Step 2. Continuous adjustments. As the data comes in, I start experimenting. For example, if I notice that certain titles lead to higher CTR, I start using similar patterns in my future videos. Or if one type of thumbnail gets more clicks, I'll use that style more often. Small adjustments over time lead to significant improvements in my channel's performance. It's a constant cycle of learning and growing. Step 3. Keep evolving. The great thing about YouTube is that your system can always evolve. As you keep creating, your skills in scripting, editing, and optimizing will improve. The more videos you make, the faster you'll be able to get them out, and the better your content will become. If I can build a channel, anyone can. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell to get notified when new videos are posted. I've got more helpful tips and insights on growing your channel and creating content, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and remember, if I can do it, you can too. Keep creating and keep growing.